Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask The Trichologist. My name is Atilola and I am the trichologist at African Naturalists Hair Clinic. Ask The Trichologist is the program where we get to answer all your hair and scalp questions no matter what they are. What we do is that we answer high-level questions and break them down in a way to offer you solutions so you can just get quick tips. So, before we go on, what I want you to do is please subscribe to this channel. We are looking for your subscription so people can know what exactly is happening here. We have a lot of useful information that will help people's hair and scalp, and we believe that the more people hear about this channel, then the more people out there will get solutions. So you can help us get this word out by subscribing to our channel so that we get up on our YouTube algorithm. Not only should you subscribe, I also want you to like this video, share this video. You know somebody out there needs it. Share it with your friends. Click on the notification bell and then just drop a comment for us in the comment section. Show us some love, right? We are putting all the hard work in getting this channel right up there. So like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell and comment. Please, let's get the activity on this video rolling. So today's question is from Nana in Ghana. Wow. Thank you, Nana. Show us some love from Ghana, from anywhere you are in the world. Nana is asking, hi, Atilola. I'm wondering how best to go to sleep at night, whether I should be using a bonnet, a scarf, or a regular hairnet. I don't know which is best. Can I use any one as long as I'm going to sleep with my head covered, or is there one that is better than the other? Well, Nana, this is a brilliant question. So in case you don't know what Nana is talking about, you know we always preach that never sleep with your head bare. You always have to sleep with your head covered. But Nana is asking, okay, should I use a bonnet? Should I use a scarf? Should I use a hairnet? Or can I just use any one? Or is there a specific one I should be using? Okay, so yeah, I brought specimens for you all. This is a satin scarf or a silk scarf or a polyester scarf. You understand? So the material you are going to bed with actually matters. So you can either use satin, silk, or polyester, the smooth polyester. So this is a reversible bonnet. This is an old one with the elastic expired. So I just brought it for a demo. So this is a reversible bonnet. And then this is a hairnet. I think I've had this hairnet when I was in university. And I graduated from university 2007, right? Which is about 17 years ago. If you're watching this video, I graduated from university 17 years ago. Some would say 16 years ago. It's actually 17 years ago. Yeah, I graduated 17 years ago, and then this is and I've had this. So I've had this for like 20 years because I had it long before I graduated. So I've had this for like 20 years. I just keep it. I'll tell you why I keep it anyway. So this is the nets. This is the satin scarf, and this is the reversible satin bonnet. So these are the things that she has talked about. Now, you shouldn't be using a head net because this here will shave your edges off. Even the material will shave your edges off. You should not be using this, but I will tell you why I keep it or why I kept it. You should not be using this under any circumstance because they are bad for your edges. They will also still expose your hair, right, to the cotton material of your pillowcase. So at the end of the day, it's going to break your hair. It's going to shave your edges off. So the reason why our parents were using this in those days was because in those days they used to set their hair. They will relax their hair and then they will set their hair, and they needed something to keep their hair in style. They could not go to bed with their hair bare like that and the hair will be flat the next day. So they needed something that the curls could pop out of without destroying the style or destroying their hair. And that's why they use hairnets in those days. And that's why I say this is so 1977. like so 1955, you shouldn't be using this. It should not have any contact with your edges, right? It should have no contact with your hair because it's going to cause your hair to break, and then it's going to cause your edges to recede because of everything about this is very harsh. So if you have it, you can throw it away. I'm going to tell you why I keep it. Now for these two, this is the satin scarf and the satin bonnet. These are safe for your hair. You can use any of these two. You can use any of these two. However, if you have issues with your edges, you shouldn't be using satin bonnet, because when you have issues with your edges, you don't want any tension, any contact with your edges, anything pressing around your edges in any way or moving your edges. So what you want to do is, use the satin scarf if you have issues with your edges. But if you don't have any issues with your edges, you can use either your satin scarf or your satin bonnet. You can use any of the two if you don't have issues with your edges. They are both safe, so you can use satin silk or smooth polyester like this. They are both safe and good for your hair. Now let me tell you why I keep this because my and that's also for people who they feel like the scarf slips off, and the scarf will not keep my hair in place. It's going to fall off my hair. It's too smooth, it's too silky and all. What I used to do in those days was I wear the scarf and then I'll use this to keep it in place. I mean, I've been using this for years. I'll use this to keep my hair in place. So I'll tie the scarf and use this so this will have contact with the scarf, not with my head. So I'll use it, I'll put it around here and keep the scarf in place. And this is so compact, so stable and so sturdy that it will keep it in place. But I don't use it anymore because my hair is going down all the way to my butt right now. When I leave it in its full length, in full glory, it reaches down all to my butt. So I cannot afford to use this anymore because this is now too small to hold such a very long hair in place that I have to stop using it. It doesn't really hold it anymore. Right now, it can't even hold the bun of my hair. That's how full my hair is. So what I do right now is I use the bonnet to hold the scarf in place. So I tie the scarf because I'm very jealous of my edges. I don't joke with my edges at all. Everybody that knows me knows I don't joke with my edges. I tie my scarf all the time. Only when I'm shooting a video or I'm going out for an event, that's when I don't wear my scarf. So I'll tie the scarf and then I'll wear the bonnet on top. But in fact, right now the bonnet is still slipping because now my hair is now big. So what I do right now is I tie my scarf, right? I use two scarves. I'll take the scarf, I'll pack my hair in a bun, take the scarf, tie the bun, make it compact in my head, and tie the scarf forward. Then I'll take another scarf and tie back, and then I'll wear the bonnet on top so that everything is in place. Everything is very important for me, so I keep all of them, right? So recall, you should not be using your bonnet at all. I mean your hair net at all. You should not be using the hair net at all. If you don't want your edges to recede, and you should not be using your hair net if you don't want your hair to break. What you should be using is your scarf and your satin bonnet if your edges are not bad. If your edges are bad, you should use only the scarf, and then you can use any of these to hold them in place. In case you think that you need any of this, and we got you covered. But what if you are that kind of person that you don't like you don't like covering your head when you go to bed? I don't care whether your hair is short or your hair is long, your hair should be protected while you are going to sleep. So what you can do is get a satin pillowcase. I would have brought that one for you, but I forgot. Get your satin pillowcase and put it on your pillow, right? Wear your pillow with the satin pillowcase so that even though you are not covering your head, you know that your head is still protected, or your hair is still protected while you sleep. But make sure you are really, really using the pillow with the satin pillowcase. At African Naturalistas Hair Clinic, we have everything for you. We have the satin pillowcase, we have the satin scarf, we have the reversible satin bonnet. The satin pillowcase, we have both single-sided and double-sided. We have loads and loads of attractive colors. You can always check the description box below to see which one you want to buy out of all these. So just select, check there and get anyone that you want, right? Out of all this, anyone you want, we got you covered. So I know that this video has been very, very useful for you, because I know a lot of people who are having hair breakage and having issues with their edges just out of sheer ignorance. So what we are going to do is we are going to be counting on you to share this video with everybody. We are going to be counting on you to share this video, to like this video, to click on the notification bell. But don't forget, once again, throw this away. You don't need it in your hair care journey. This is old school and it is damaging edges. These are the tools you should be using, and if you have issues with your edges, this is the only one you should be using. Please and please and please share this video with somebody that needs it. Click on the notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. 5 things: share this video, click on the notification bell, like, comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Everybody needs to know the good things that we are putting out there, right? Every single person needs to know. So once again, my name is Atilola. Till I come your way again in the next episode. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. We now have hair care courses for you. We have hair growth courses. We have edge restoring courses. We have courses of people suffering from hair loss and science courses. Just check in the description box below. All the hair care literacy courses you need, you can take them for a very, 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 very minimal fee, and then you'll be able to grow your hair and grow your edges out. And lastly, you can always ask your questions in the comment section, or if you don't want to ask in the comment section, send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com and we will take your questions in another episode. Till I come your way again, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.